In this video, I'll be showing you my Magnum review. So Magnum is the latest product from Venkat Ramana that will be launched on Warrior Plus Marketplace on 7th April at 11 a.m. Eastern. And Magnum is basically a cloud-based application that lets you create e-commerce stores where you can promote affiliate products, you can sell digital products as well as physical products, and there are many other customization features which are available inside the dashboard. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Magnum. I'll be also showing you my bonuses which I've compiled for you guys if you decide to pick up Magnum using my link, which is right there in the description down below. I'll be telling you about the different price points for Magnum, and finally I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not. So without a further ado, let's jump straight into the members area of Magnum, and let me show you what all you're going to get. So this is how the dashboard of Magnum looks like, and it is going to create an e-commerce store, something like this, which you can totally customize from this dashboard. So there are a lot many features inside the dashboard. So you can get the number of orders which you have received. You can add your own products. Let me show you. You can add physical product, you can add digital product, everything you can add. You can also add licenses, and not only you can add physical and digital products, you can also add your own affiliate products. So you can just put your affiliate link and just put the product and make those commissions as well through the e-commerce store. And the good part about Magnum is you're also going to get 99 social media platforms where you can just promote your store with single click. And then you can also manage your customers from within this dashboard over here. And next, you can also manage the vendors. So if you are selling physical products, you can manage the vendors from here. You can manage the categories for the store from here. For these categories you can completely manage from this option over here. You can also add products in bulk, so you just have to import the CSV file and it will add the products in your store. You can add the product description, reviews. You can also set up coupons, and you can also put blog post on your store, so that will give more credibility to your store. And from here you can just customize the entire home page. You can customize the menu. You can also just capture the email of people from within this application only. And you can also set up the payment settings, the payment gateways. So there are different payment gateways which are available, so you can just add the payment gateways from here. And not only you can create your store in English, but you can also create your store in other language as well. Just have to click on add new language and just select the language and you'll be good to go. And not only you're going to create the store, but you can also configure the SEO part of it, so that your store gets ranked on search engine on Google. So you can also connect your Google Analytics over here, the website meta keywords you can put in, and from here you can manage the subscribers of your store. So this is a very comprehensive tool which has been created, and this is going to take care of all your e-commerce needs, whether you're selling physical or digital products. Now let me show you my bonuses which I've compiled for you guys. The link to my bonus page is in the description down below. The number one bonus I'm going to give you is affiliate marketing kit. So that will teach you everything about affiliate marketing. The bonus number two, I'm going to give you my own product, List Lariat, the front end, and the upgrade number one. So this is basically how you can build an email list for yourself by giving out free stuff. Bonus number three, I'm going to give you training on email marketing. And bonus number four, I'm going to give you training on Facebook ads, so you can also run Facebook ads for your e-commerce store. Bonus number five, I'm going to give you another training on traffic, which is Google ads. So if you want to run Google ads, you can do that. There are built-in traffic 99 traffic sources which are built inside the store, but I'm going to give you these additional trainings as well. Bonus number 7, I'm going to give you training on Fugo Breakout. So this is basically a training for Instagram, how you can promote your store on Instagram. Bonus number 8, I'm going to give you a training on 5 instant cash strategies which you can implement in your business and make cash whenever you need it. And bonus number 9, I'm going to give you 365 days of social media planner. So basically, it will give you, each and every day what you have to post on social media. So since you're creating an e-commerce store, so you can promote that on social media as well, build a profile on social media as well. And bonus number 10, I'm going to give you 60 days worth of social media content, done for you content, which you can simply copy and paste on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or wherever. So these are all my bonuses. Now talking about the price points for Magnum. So the front end, which includes everything which I've shown you, and all my bonuses, that will only going to cost you $17. And then there are some optional upgrades, and I highly recommend you pick up the OTO1, which is the unlimited version. So you can just remove all the restrictions from the store. You can build unlimited stores, run unlimited traffic campaigns. So not only you are going to create one store from Magnum, you can create multiple stores in Magnum in different categories, different niches. So this is a very powerful software which I see. And now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. So if you are someone who wants to get into e-commerce, then this is the right place for you to get started with. This tool will help you to build your multiple e-commerce stores. But I highly recommend you just start with one store, just build that store and then move on to the next one. Do not just try to build 5 or 6 stores in one go. Just build one, focus on it, build it, and then move on to the next one. So this is my personal advice. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.